guys. So problem 8 from the pre-calc exam asks us to find the culture size after 0.3 hours given this model of growth for 1800 bacteria to start with. And we're told that they double every half hour. So if they double every half hour, and we have t in hours, this should actually say 1800 bacteria, because we start out with this many and they grow by a factor of e to the kt, where k is some constant and t is time in hours. So if we're figuring out this constant, we need to figure out this constant before we can figure out the culture size after 0.3 hours. So how are we going to do that? Well, there's one simple way to do it, which is we can plug in some values. It may not look as though we know yet any specific value for p of t other than 1800, but think about it for a second. If it doubles every half hour, then we know that p after a half hour is equal to 2 times 1800. Now, isn't that true? If this doubles every half hour, then there goes a half hour, and it's doubled. Then we can use that equaling to 1800 e to the k half an hour there. And that way we can solve for k. So let's do that. 2 times 1800 equals 1800 e to the k, which we're solving for, times 0.5. Well, if we divide both sides by 1800, we're left with just 2 equals e to the 0.5 k. And how are we going to isolate this k now? Well, we have to get rid of this e. So we're going to take the natural log of both sides. Natural log of 2 equals natural log of e to the 0.5 k. Because natural log and e are inverse functions, they cancel each other out. So this means natural log of 2 equals 0.5 k. Now we're still looking for this k, so I'm going to keep it in blue. And what happens next? Well, to continue isolating the k, we just need to divide both sides by 0.5. Since 0.5 is the inverse of 2, that also means we could just multiply both sides by 2, because if we multiply 2 times a half, that's going to get us a 1 in front of this k, which isolates k. So let's say 2 times natural log of 2 equals 2 times a half times k, that's just k. So we've found that k is 2 times the natural log of 2. Now we can solve for the culture size after 0.3 hours. Culture size after 0.3 hours is going to equal 1800 e to the 2 natural log of 2 times 0.3. And that, friends, is our answer. Thanks for watching.